Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add music to Instagram post story. First of all, launch your Instagram application and tap on your story, and all you have to do is just select the photo or video which you want to add to your story. Tap on this sticker icon, tap on music, and you can select any music from this list. Also, you can search for a specific music using this search box. And all you have to do is just tap on the music which you want to add to your story. You can change the music part using this slider. And tap on done. And that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.